Hello everyone, and welcome back to Practice Speaking English. Today's topic is Speak Your Routine, Mastering the Present Simple. We'll learn how to talk about daily habits, routines, and general truths using the present simple tense. Stay with us till the end, and you'll sound more natural and confident when talking about your everyday life. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English speaking lessons. Now let's join Anna and Ben as they talk about their routines and how they use the present tense in daily life. Hey Ben, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Hi Anna, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I get up at 7. I'm not really a morning person.
Ho, I know that feeling. I need coffee right after I wake up.
Same here. I always drink a cup of coffee before breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs and toast. What do you have?
I normally eat cereal or oatmeal. It's quick and easy.
That's smart. Do you make your own coffee?
Yes, I do. I have a small coffee machine at home.
Nice. After breakfast, I take a shower and get ready for work.
Same here. I usually leave home at 8:30.
How do you go to work?
I drive. It takes me about 20 minutes.
I take the bus. It's slower, but I like to listen to podcasts on the way.
That's a great idea. What kind of podcasts do you listen to?
Mostly language learning and self-improvement shows.
Cool. I usually listen to news podcasts in the morning.
When do you start work?
I start at 9 sharp.
Me too. I usually check emails first thing in the morning.
Same here. It helps me organize my day.
What do you usually do before lunch?
I work on my projects and attend short meetings.
Sounds busy. I usually finish reports before lunch.
Do you take lunch at the same time every day?
Yes, around 1 o'clock. What about you?
I eat lunch at 12:30. I like to eat early.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often bring food from home. Sometimes I eat sandwiches.
That's healthy. I sometimes eat at the cafe near the office.
Oh, I know that cafe. Their salads are delicious.
Yes, I love their chicken salad.
Same, it's my favorite too.
After lunch, I usually take a short walk.
That's nice. I sometimes do that too, when the weather is good.
Do you usually work late?
Not really. I finish around 5 and go home.
Lucky you. I often stay at work until 6.
Oh no, do you have a lot of projects?
Yes, especially at the end of the month.
I understand. I sometimes work extra hours too.
What do you usually do after work?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Wow, that's impressive. I usually go for a run in the park.
That's great exercise too.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Not often. I prefer reading books or watching YouTube.
I usually watch a series on Netflix after dinner.
Oh nice. What series are you watching now?
I'm watching Friends. It's funny and great for learning English.
I love that show. I still laugh every time.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I do. I usually cook pasta or rice dishes.
I often order takeout when I'm tired.
Ha, same here on Fridays.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. I try to sleep 8 hours.
That's good. I usually sleep around midnight.
You're a night owl.
Yes, I am. I feel more creative at night.
I'm the opposite. I feel most productive in the morning.
It's interesting how people have different rhythms.
True, everyone's routine is unique.
So, what do you usually do on weekends?
I visit my parents or hang out with friends.
That's nice. I usually clean my apartment and go shopping.
Sounds productive.
Do you go out on Saturday nights?
Sometimes. I like trying new restaurants.
Me too. I love Italian food.
Same. I eat pizza almost every weekend.
Haha, that's funny. I usually cook something light on Sundays.
That's a great way to relax before the week starts.
Do you do any chores on Sundays?
Yes, I do laundry and prepare meals for the week.
Me too. I also organize my schedule.
It helps to start Monday ready and calm.
Absolutely. Planning saves a lot of time.
Speaking of time, how long does it take you to get to work?
About 30 minutes by bus.
That's not bad. I drive, so it takes about 20.
Do you ever walk to work?
Not really, it's too far.
I sometimes walk home if the weather is nice.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me unwind after work.
So true, exercise keeps you healthy and happy.
I usually watch a series on Netflix after dinner.
Yes, I usually eat a banana in the morning.
I eat apples almost every afternoon.
Apples are great for snacks.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I try to. I keep a water bottle on my desk.
Same here. It's a good habit.
Exactly, small habits make a big difference.
You know, the present simple is perfect for describing these habits.
Yes, like I wake up, I eat, or I go.
Right. It's used for things that happen regularly.
Exactly. For example, I always drink coffee in the morning.
And we add an esse for he, she, it, right?
Yes, like she drinks coffee or he works late.
Great. What about the negative form?
We say I don't or he doesn't.
So, I don't eat breakfast or he doesn't like tea.
Exactly, simple but powerful.
And for questions we use do or does.
Right, like do you work on weekends or does she drive to work?
Perfect. The structure is so easy once you practice.
Totally, practice makes perfect.
Do you think about grammar while speaking?
Not really, I focus on fluency and let grammar come naturally.
That's a good approach.
Thanks. I believe daily speaking helps more than memorizing rules.
Yes, using English every day builds confidence.
Exactly. That's why I talk to myself in English sometimes.
Me too. It's great practice.
We're both grammar geeks, huh?
I guess so. But hey, it works.
Definitely, consistency is the key.
What do you usually read in the morning?
I read the news or a motivational article.
That's productive. I check my messages and social media.
Everyone does that nowadays.
True. I try not to spend too much time online though.
Same here, it's easy to lose track of time.
Do you meditate or do yoga?
I meditate for 10 minutes every morning.
That's awesome. I sometimes do yoga before bed.
It helps you sleep better.
Yes, it really does.
Balance is everything.
How do you describe your daily routine in one word?
Organized and you.
Busy, but satisfying.
That's a good balance.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Rarely. Breakfast gives me energy.
Same. I can't function without it.
Coffee counts as breakfast sometimes, right?
I wish.
Me too.
What time do you usually arrive at the office?
Around 9:15, I'm usually on time.
That's good. I sometimes arrive a bit late when traffic is bad.
Yeah, traffic is unpredictable.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. I always rest on weekends.
Same here. We all need a break.
Absolutely.
Do you check your email at night?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
That's a healthy habit.
Yeah, I like to disconnect after work.
Yeah. I like to disconnect after work.
Definitely.
What do you usually do before bed?
I read or listen to music.
That's relaxing. I scroll on my phone. Not good, I know.
Haha, we all do that sometimes.
Do you dream in English?
Sometimes, especially when I practice a lot.
That's awesome. It means your brain is learning naturally.
Exactly.
How often do you practice speaking English?
Every day, I talk to my friends online.
That's the best way to learn.
Totally.
Do you study grammar separately?
A little, mostly through real conversations like this.
Same here. Context helps everything make sense.
Couldn't agree more.
What's one habit you're proud of?
I wake up early every day.
Nice. I'm proud that I plan my day every morning.
That's great discipline.
Thanks. Small habits make big changes.
Absolutely.
So, We use the present simple to describe habits, routines, and facts.
Exactly, like the sun rises in the east.
Or water boils at 100 degrees.
Perfect examples.
And sometimes, we use the present continuous for actions happening now.
Like we're talking right now.
Right. So the difference is clear and simple.
Yes, I work every day versus I'm working right now.
Perfect. You're a grammar master.
Haha, thanks.
So, what's your final advice for learners?
Speak every day. Talk about your real life using the present tense.
Great advice. I always tell students to repeat daily routines out loud.
Yes, it helps with memory and fluency.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly, practice makes progress.
This has been a fun conversation, Ben.
Agreed, talking about daily life is the best English practice.
100%. Thanks for sharing your routine with us.
My pleasure, Anna.
And thank you everyone for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep speaking English every day. Your fluency starts with your routine.